Our grains and our wood are coming out real good, but our water's a little bit wishy-washy. And now when I say that, I mean it's not coming out the same amount every time. No consistency, yeah? So we're troubleshooting it. And we've been led to believe that the problem lies within our regulator. So we're going to replace the regulator and see what happens, yeah? Why don't we get down to that? If it's really tight, you might need a wrench, but we've already loosened it here for the purposes of the video. So, I'm going to remove the hose. Bye-bye, buckaroo. And then, I'm going to loosen and take off the old regulator. Careful with your wires. And now we got our old regulator done. Bye. Real quick before we put on our new regulator, we're going to put some Teflon tape in the threads, yeah? So, let's figure out what direction we want our tape to go. So we want our tape to end this way. So we're going to wrap it this way. And this is so that when you're threading it in there, the angular motion of the threading doesn't get this tape all gunked up in there. So we're just going to put a couple passes of tape on our threads. Any old Teflon tape will do. Doesn't need to be special. Just get it on there nice and clean. You don't want to get any spots where it's all bunched up or nothing. Once you've got a couple passes on there, you'll just go ahead. And now we're going to screw in our new regulator. Bing, bang, boom, bing, bang, boom, bow. Wow. That's nice. The only thing is I just want to get it so that I can reach that pin with a screwdriver for calibration, you know, because this pin, if it's in here, how are you going to get a screwdriver to it? So don't do that. Make sure you get it tight, and make sure you get it so that you can reach the pin with the screwdriver. So now, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our hose. So, whoop-de-doo. This is just to take some of the strain off the hose. And one, two buckaroo. A little hi, how are you? And we're back on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water now, and we're going to calibrate pressure on the regulator once again. You're going to want a bucket. Alright, now our hose is on, and this thing reads about 30 psi out of the box. I've calibrated all my settings to run at 40 psi, so we're going to need to fiddle with the pin here a little bit. We're going to take the screwdriver, and now notice that it says turn towards the plus sign to increase the pressure. So that's just what we'll do. And so I turned it about 2 full turns, maybe 3. I've not seen a lot happen on the regulator yet, so I'm going to go ahead and dispense and see what happens. So we're not getting the right pressure, so that means we're going to keep going up on the regulator. Something's not right. I have no idea what's wrong. For the last 2 dispenses, it wouldn't go above 20 psi. Now we're at 30, but we're trying to get set at 40. Now it's pushing. Now we're at 39. And now we're at 35. What's going on?
A few moments later.
Well, okie dokie, folkies. We just got off the phone with Mr. Benjamin from Man O' War, the illustrious company that fabricates and manufactures these. And he gave me some insight as to why I might have been having some variance. Essentially, has to do with the fact that I am on a well, and that pump and the bladder tank that the pump regulates is going to be pumping quite a distance uphill to my current location. And due to that, I was seeing some variance, but only because I was running quite a few sprinklers outside, which were drawing from that same tank quite a bit and causing that tank to have to refill constantly, which was giving me some really weird pressure issues over here at my regulator. Since turning off all of my sprinklers, I have been dispensing quite consistently within acceptable tolerances. So, that's been how to change a regulator. Hopefully, you don't have this issue, but if you do, this video might help, and if it doesn't, I do urge you to give Mr. Ben a call over at Man O' War. Very willing to help support people who have bought his product. Can't say good enough things about the support from Ben. So, now that we have water coming out, as it should, the right amount, the right timing, we're going to get to bagging some substrate.